that's fun. This is what makes me feel alive, boys. What is up, gentlemen? We out here in Kaaterskill Falls. I rode about two hours up here. My ass is still okay. Maybe another 2 hours my ass is gonna start hurting. So for now, let's enjoy the sweet ride, you know, without the booty hurting. Right now I'm just enjoying the local roads up here. Look at this curvature around up ahead. I mean, look at this. Woo, I'm leaning it. Wow, I'm leaning it. So good, so good. The bike feels amazing right now. Woo, feels good, baby. I did pump gas. I spent about $10 on gas so far today. Maybe after this I'll head over to Hawks Nest, see how my ass feels first. Alrighty, we're getting to the mountains, baby. Woo! What do we got here? There's a sign up here, caution. What does this say? Caution, no parking. Okay, 23A. But we're not parking, we're riding. So we're up here to enjoy the nice country road. Woo! I'm excited, guys. So excited. Damn, boy. It's looking beautiful. Look at this. Holy moly. Look at this mountain. So excited. Yeah, damn, baby. Taking the first corner. Oh, baby. It's a shame there's traffic up ahead. Perfect scenario, this place would be no traffic and the road is dry and clean. You know, that's a perfect scenario. Oh, holy moly, that's cool. Oh my god, I'm putting a fucking angle on this bitch. Whoa, I'm a little terrified with that last corner. Holy Christ, that's fun. and super sketchy. Let's try to make it home in one piece, you know what I'm saying? Holy moly, that scared me a little bit. You know, I don't really take corners like these like on a daily, so trying to get my bearings out here, you know what I'm saying? We got stuck behind these guys. But when that happens, we just enjoy the view. You know, let's not cross the double yellow lines. Oh, baby. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Damn, Zed. This bike sounds beautiful up these mountains. Nice. It splits off into 2 lanes here. I'm gonna overtake these guys. Whoa, this guy's going fast too. Nah. I think he wants to go fast. Woo! My boy going fast too. Beautiful. I respect that. Bicyclist going up the hill. It's not even a hill, it's a mountain up at this point. Ah, I got caught up. You go ahead, buddy. It's okay. Man, this is gorgeous, man. Ah, the clouds. Ah, they're covering the sky. Where's the sun? It is cold up here. Woo! I am ball. This is the section where I don't necessarily want to speed because it is tight, this section. And there's like a waterfall up ahead, I think, here, where it kind of like splashes water on the road sometimes. This time, not so much. Huh. Wow. It is chilly up here, bro. Whew. And look at that. Damn, boy. Fucking beautiful. Damn, look at that. Oh, that was great, and I'm freezing again. Woo. Oh, holy moly. I was expecting this place to be a little warmer, you know, since it's like the middle of summer, I guess. Well, close to the middle. Oh, beautiful, man. Finally, some leaning angle. It's always refreshing to lead the bike over, you know what I'm saying? It's great. Why is my nav so quiet? The thing with Cardo is that the audio volume sometimes isn't consistent. It keeps changing sometimes, you know. It's either too loud or too soft. Okay, it's kind of muddy here. Oh, 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 careful, careful. I'm gonna park up somewhere here. Back myself up. A little bit of a dirt road action here. All right, so I took a piss. It's time to leave. It's actually been a while since I did some hiking. Maybe tomorrow I may go. It's a good option, honestly. Saw a cop pull it earlier. Hopefully he wasn't looking for me. You know. But, you know, he looked at me and he just left, so I'm probably good. Maybe he's waiting ahead for me, you know, to pull me over properly. But we'll see. We'll see, man. Because I did tear up the corners earlier. Well, not really tear them up, but like I was kind of speeding. Hey, man. Did he honk at me? I don't know. Couldn't hear. My exhaust is too loud, bruh. So there seems to be a cop presence. He's like going around, so I'm gonna take the downhill a little slower. Just enjoy the view, man. Don't speed, bro. Don't risk your life like that. Alright, man. That's my internal thoughts speaking to me. I mean, the traffic is picking up, so I don't think there's gonna be speeding anytime soon, because look at that, there's like 2 cars up ahead and they're gonna slow me down. So yeah, so I have no choice but to enjoy the scenery. My freaking blinker was on. Christ, I really gotta pay attention to turn that off. Oh yeah, I got a tank bag, guys. It's compact, it's nice, it fits my phone charger. So as you can see, longer road trips, this is a must, man. I think the brand is BILT, built. Get it from I got it from Cycle Gear or Revzilla, same thing, you know. Wow, it's cold, dude. Whoa. It always looks kind of moist here. Let's take it easy. Yeah, look how tight it is here. I'll stay in 4th gear. Psych, 5th gear. Just cruising down the road, baby. Just cruising, grooving. Slow down here, might be hikers. Woo, that's fun. Very nice. Wow. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Now that's a Prius. The new Priuses actually look nice. I like the their sunroof, you know. You can see a lot over your head. Oh yeah, it's picking up now. Look at all this traffic. Good thing I got to enjoy some somewhat fast riding up here before the traffic picked up. Now we just enjoy the scenery. Look at that, beautiful. I'm gonna keep saying beautiful a number of times in this video because it truly is beautiful. This guy waiting. I think he's waiting for the roads to clear up. Maybe I should too. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna cruise somewhat. Slow down. I'm just gonna look to see if there's anyone coming. Yeah, it's going 20 miles downhill here. I'll pull over to the side here. Wait. I'm gonna wait a bit. Should be good now. Oh, I see a car coming. Now it's my cue. Po-po. Beautiful, man. Yeah, that cop is like going back and forth up this thing. Probably looking out for speeders. Woo! That's fun. This is what makes me feel alive, boys. So tight up here. Woo! Beautiful. Don't target fixate. Beautiful, man. Black corner here. Oh, I feel alive right now. Feel so alive. Look at this. Beautiful views. He's going fast, that guy. Woo! Wow, I freaking love this road, bro. Definitely one of my favorites. Shall I do one more run? I may do one more run. I'm gonna do a U-E. Or maybe I should just go on to the next spot. Yeah, I think I've had enough of this place actually. That was a good bit of fun. Very satisfying, gentlemen. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Appreciate y'all. Until next time.